is categorized into two things, substantive law and procedural law. Now the other categorization of law can be on the basis of this thing. Lex fori and lex loci. Lex fori is law of the forum. And lex loci is law of the place of course of action. Now whenever we are talking about lex loci, so let's take an example. For example, a murder is committed in India. So the case is going to be tried in India. So the place of cause of action would be India. This is lex loci. Now IPC is an example of lex loci. So whenever a murder which is committed in India and the case is to be tried in India, the applicability of law would be Indian Penal Code. On the contrary, when we are talking about lex fori is law of the forum. Now, for example, a murder which was committed in India and therefore is tried in India by virtue of Indian Penal Code. Now, there is this person in this criminal proceeding who is residing not in India but somewhere outside the territory of India. And the examination or the evidence of that person is to be taken. So the law which will be applied to the person who is residing outside the territory of India in pursuance of the aid of suit or proceeding which is going on in India would be India. So evidence of witness who is not residing in India but he is residing outside the territory of India. So we are requiring the evidence of that person that please we'll be needing your evidence in pursuit of the criminal proceeding which is going on in India. Now the evidence of that person which is being recorded outside the territory of India, though the evidence is recorded outside the territory of India, though the person is residing outside the territory of India, still the law which will be applicable to the evidence recorded in the territory of outside the India of that person would be the law of India, because the evidence is taken in pursuance of the suit or proceeding which is already being going on in India. So Evidence Act is a lex fori, that means law of the forum, and lex loci is the law of the place of cause of action. That means where the cause of action took place, the law would be applied to the law applicable would be of that state only.